Hello friends. Here is my friend that he will call. He's coming. We'll
Hi
tell.
everybody, I'm Zaid.
Uh,
Today we are gathered here in front of the school of ours. This is a title Rambali Rational Residential School. This is our school, and today we are going to discuss about the school. This is the first phase, first step, and this is the entry of our school.
yeah, this is the
And
main gate of school from where the students enter in the school. So now we are going in the school. We'll show you all the facilities of our schools. We are going to enter.
hello everyone. Now we have just entered in our school. As there are so many plants here, as you can see, and this is really helpful for you all. And we would like to go ahead to the remaining plants that have been existed here. And here, in order to talk to you, there is nothing behind that. There is something, only discussion is behind that. And we
Yes.
would like to tell you the facilities and many other things in our school. Guys, we have just entered somewhere else, and here there is lots of plants that are going to be grown up here, and some plants are going to be irrigated here. They are going to be watered, and in the middle of the plants there is the favorite plants named rose, and we would like to go to the rose.
Yeah, we are going there.
As you can see, there is a rose, and it's really it smells good, and we would like to go somewhere else, and there is also a place there, and you may be looking,
We can
and
park our vehicle.
there is a bike parked here, and we have just
There's a cycle
come here.
also. Yeah, you can.
And you can see the gardener in our school. He is a gardener in our school, and he's
He protect
watering the
each and
plants.
every plants.
He's watering the plants right now, and there is some flowers in our school. Like you can see gulhal here. You can Upragan. You can you can
So now we have entered in the. We are in the school. We are going to the computer in charge who make the notes or question paper.
We are leading you somewhere else right now. Look here, and you will get entertained. And as there is a computer office in our school, and there are many persons, many teachers existed here, and they will really hint you. Now you have just met them, and we would like to move on to the principal office as
It's our principal.
it's principal office, and he is inside it. Guys, as you have just looked the principal office, and he is inside them talking to someone. As we would like to move on to the remaining classes here that must make you entertained. As we are going to upstairs right now. We are going to upstairs right now.
Yeah.
And, there are so many classes there, and we are just.
Guys, you can see this. These are the washrooms you can use, especially in emergency. This is only using for teachers, and this washroom is for other students. Now we are climbing on the stairs. We are going to enter in the class, and Jazz sir will tell you the facilities.
As I took you to the 7th class, this is 7th A, and there is a class in our school, but it's totally empty, vacant due to Corona crisis. Students are not here due to Corona crisis. They are allowed to be at home. And you can see the trees that has been grown up very large. And here you can even smile by seeing it. And in the same way, in the queue, in a line, there are so many trees here. As it's also tree, it's totally green. And in the same way,
This is a class structure. You can see there is a whiteboard, and for standing there, the teacher stand. He give speech or explain each and everything very attentively.
this is the seventh C. This is seventh C, and inside them there is something good for you all. It's totally it has totally good atmosphere, and everything is in orange. And there are so many chairs here that some chairs may be printed in color, maybe colorful, and it's a podium in the class. And if a teacher first come here, then introduce himself to the students, and after that he enables to teach the students. In the same way, if you move on to the remaining classes, there are single class also. It's totally vacant. It has no chairs, no podium, and not anything else. And it's totally vacant due to the coronavirus, corona crisis. Students are not allowed to be here.
Yeah, but the student can do practice here. This is very good class for to do practice. If anyone wants to do practice to express his thoughts, if he want to say something, if he fear to say something, so he can do practice there. That how to speak in a public. Or what do you think about Jad? How we can use this class?
This is actually this is not the class where a teacher teaches the student. This is a class for experiment, for trial, in order to suppose that there is function. If a function helps here, then students are called to be in the class in order to make dance, in order to dance, in order to rehearsal. You know rehearsal. For the rehearsal, this class is totally suitable for the students. It really suits the students. This is why it's totally vacant. There is no chair, nothing else here. The reason behind it, because it's not the class where students are taught. This is for rehearsal, for anything else, for practical also. If a student wants to make preparation for anything, for the upcoming things, the students must be called here, and he will be given the techniques and the practicals here by the teachers. This is why this is vacant class. And there you are seeing the window, and through which the outsider things must be seen, you must enable to see the outer things as the cars are moving on, and some women are going to their home, and some are coming here, and lots of trees are existed here, and so there are so many things. There are so green things. There are so suited and comfortable things that you are looking through the window.
Yeah, you can be a joyful man after seeing these all things, whatever is going outside. So as well as my friend Jed has told you the what we can do in this class. So this is very useful class, and we have come to know about all the importance of this class. And now we are going somewhere else in the schools.
Hello everyone, as we have just entered the staff room here, there are so many respected teachers here. You can see with your own eyes, as here our professor here is in the habit of writing something here.
Sir, please hi to our study.
Say hi and hello to the guardians. As here our respected teacher Subham sir here, and he is also busy in doing something else. As here there are two teachers here,
SP sir.
SP sir and Almani sir here. They are very busy in their work. Right now, we would like to leave the class, and as here there is a van stood here, existed here. This is the van of our school.